Now imagine a 70-kilogram man rolls at 3 meters per second forward when he catches a 15-kilogram bag that is thrown at him at 2 meters per second in the other direction. What is the final velocity of the man with the bag? So the man's rolling forward and the bag is thrown, let's call that backwards, and it hits the man. So our initial conditions we have the man and the bag. And the man has a velocity of 3 meters per second forward and a mass of 70 kilograms. The bag has a mass of 15 kilograms and it has a velocity of 2 meters per second, but that's going back. So the bag is going back this way at 2 meters per second, while the man who's going to collide with it is going forward at 3 meters per second. And the question is, after he catches that bag, how fast do they end up rolling away? Well, let's have a look at our momentum. The momentum of the man is 3 times 70 forward. So that's 3 meters per second forward times 70 kilograms. So that's 210 kilogram meters per second, and that's forward. The bag has a momentum of 2 meters per second times 15 kilograms backwards. So that's 15 kilograms times 2 meters per second back. So that is 30 kilogram meters per second, and that is back. So this system has a total momentum. Our total momentum is 210 forward and 30 back. So it's 180 kilogram meters per second forward. So this is 210 forward minus 30 forward. See, to get the total momentum, you add the momentum. But if I want to add 30 kilogram meters per second back, that's the same as subtracting 30 kilogram meters per second forward. So that gives me 180 kilogram meters per second forward. And yeah, let me put that F in brackets just to remind you that's the direction. So our total momentum is 180 kilogram meters per second forward. So we've got a momentum equal to 180 kilogram meters per second forward. And our total mass is made up of the man, which is 70 kilograms, the man, which is 70 kilograms, and the bag, which is 15 kilograms. So our total mass is 85 kilograms. And remember, momentum is mass multiplied by velocity. So that means that our 180 kilogram meters per second forward is equal to 85 kilograms multiplied by our velocity. Or our velocity is 180 kilogram meters per second forward divided by 85 kilograms. That makes our velocity 180 over 85, which is 2.14. 2.14, and that will be meters per second forward. So, if we start out with a man with a mass of 70 kilograms and he's rolling forward at 3 meters per second, and a 15 kilogram bag is thrown at him backwards at 2 meters per second, after he catches the bag, the man with the bag will roll ahead forward at 2.14 meters per second forward. So as you can see, that bag will have slowed him down. He was going at 3, and he's now going forward at just 2.14. Momentum is conserved. The total momentum initially of the man plus the bag is equal to the total final momentum, 180 kilogram meters per second forward. And we can always use conservation of momentum when we're solving problems involving collisions, because momentum is always conserved.